In this tutorial, I am going to give you overview of data dictionary. SE11 is the transaction code for data dictionary. Here you can create several objects. First object is database table. For any kind of system, table or database is integral part. This is one standard table for material. Also you can create custom tables. All these custom objects starts with letter Z or Y. In video description, also in I button, I am giving you link so that you can directly go to particular topic. In database table video, I mention how to create tables, what are custom tables, what are clients, client dependency, primary key, check tables, data element, domain, also how to insert record in table and how to join two or more tables. Second object is view. View and tables are different. View not holds any data, as it display only selected fields from one or multiple tables. First is database view. We can create this view from multiple tables. Second view is projection view. We can create projection view from single table. Third and most important view is maintenance view. In this view, we will study about table maintenance generator and how to create transaction code and use this transaction code for maintaining or updating table entries. In few type of views, we have authority of changing or updating entries. I am discussing these 4 views in 4 different videos. And last view is help view. For displaying search help view are useful. From help view, you can select particular value from drop down list and insert it into parameter or select option. Next object is data type. In data type, you can create data element, structure and table types. You can create new data element at the time of creating database table, or you can create it here and use it in database table. Second option is structure. You can create structure from data dictionary as well as from report. Structures are useful when you want to interact with only selected fields from table. Table type in SAP ABAP are global reusable objects which is used to define structure and functional attributes of internal table. Type group contains ABAP statement for defining globally visible data types, constants and macros. It is similar like we give header in C programming. SLIS is most important type group. We will study it later. Also in interactive reports. Next option is domain. Similar like data element, we can create domain at the time of creating table or create domain in SE11 and reuse it in tables. Domain contains technical attributes and element contains physical attributes. Let's go to table again. Here you can see various data elements. I am clicking on StudID. That element contains domain ZStudID. It have technical attributes as data type and character length. Next object is search help. For this search help, first we need to create help view. There are 2 types of search help, elementary search help and collective search help. Elementary search help is single search help and collective search help is combination of 2 or more elementary search help. Next object is lock object. In this option, we lock particular table so that particular user can update data in table. Unlike other customized object, lock object name starts with E. Also, we need to unlock the table after successfully updating it. For all these different objects, I create dedicated videos. You will find those video links in description as well as in I button.